Hello, my friends. I thought I'd say hello to you in person today because I'm having a pretty good hair day. I'm all decked out in one of my wearable art outfits. This is a long sleeve tunic and a matching kimono. And I'm off to an event at the gallery. But when I return, I'm going to rip these clothes off and do a pour. So I'll see you then. Bye. Okay, I am back from my event. Changed my clothes and ready to roll here. I'm using a paint today that's fairly new product, new to me anyway. Liquitex Basics Acrylic Fluid Paints. So they're heavily pigmented, they say, and I'm excited about trying them. I have extended them with Floetrol, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and because of the pigmentation, the color is still very vivid. So, Dioxazine Purple, Light Blue Permanent, Cerulean Blue, Aqua Green, I think. Yes, bright aqua green, and Magenta Deep. No, medium magenta. Now, to this one, to the Aqua, I have added a little bit of Prism Pores Sea Monster. I thought it was similar in color, and I thought it might just add a little bit of glitz to it. And it does. It's very subtle, but it is a little bit prettier than just straight out of the bottle. And I'm going to use my cloud mix. I mixed this up nearly 2 months ago. I have no idea. I haven't tried it since then. I have no idea if it is still good, but we shall see. So let's do it. I'm just experimenting on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. When I'm experimenting with new paints or formulas, I like to start small. And that's what I'm doing. I think I'll go to this Aqua, and then we'll throw in some cloud mix. Oops, I guess I'll leave the lid off, ding dong. Magenta. Excuse me. I'm going to turn it the other way and add over here. Okay, this time I think I'll pour from up above, and so the cloud mix goes in to everything, kind of. Now maybe one more layer. More cloud? Why not? That's it. Now I'll put the lid on so I'm not tempted to add any more. Okay. I have a little of everything left. Okay, let's give this a shot. Form a spout from the clean edge there, and here we go. I didn't add any water to those colors, just 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, because they are thin, they are fluid. Hey, where's that white? Here it comes. Pretty much just a straight pour. Oh, I'm happy that I have a nice dark area in the center there. And I've seen some cloud shapes happening, so that's good. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and see what develops, and then I shall return. It's very pretty right now. All right, it has been a good 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes, and it's developed quite a bit. I think I could almost see it happening before my eyes. I had some of this color laying around that I spread out for a flow extender, and now let's get to tilting. So it's difficult to know if the cloud effect is working in conjunction with these new paints, or if it's just working well because it's sat around for so long. I've had success with this recipe before, but you just never know how it's going to behave with different paints. I'm going to cover up all of this flow extender. It's a pretty gross color on its own. I found that I think the cloud pour works best when you stretch it out a lot. I think it's most interesting that way. Wow, those in the center there really glow. All right, let's come this way. Get down here, and then we'll size up the whole competition. Composition, not competition. Okay. Well, I think it's quite pretty, except for the very center. I don't like that. So what am I going to do about that? There's a little bit of paint left in here. Maybe I can... It's probably... It would look funny, I think, if I if I pour that in there. Now, why is this so gray? It's got to be the Dioxazine Violet. I wonder. I don't know. I would love to run that whole center off, or most of it. Can I possibly do that without ruining the rest of it? I'm going to try. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't do that. There's something in there. Wow. Look at, if I turn it that way, it looks like an otter or something in there. Not that I necessarily want an otter in there. There's something holding things up right there. I'm going to get my tweezers and fish that out. Oh yeah, look at that. What the heck was that? Now I'm short a glove. Oh well. This is pretty over here, and I like those. I like these. I don't know. Maybe I don't mind a little critter in the center there. It's a little squared off there. I want to. I think that is very pretty in there. And this is pretty. I'm not crazy about the pink, but I just don't like that part. I wish I had a balloon. I would smash it in there. And maybe I can, you know what? I'm going to pour the rest of this in there. And then maybe I'll do some kind of skewer thing. This is probably a mistake. Well, I gotta say, I like the paints. It used you know, very little paint to very little paint to medium ratio, 2 to 1, and I only used just over an ounce of medium, so less than half an ounce of color. Well, I like that a little better. That becomes a focal point and takes my eye away from this kind of ugly area. I'm not going to tilt anymore. I don't want that getting too distorted. Let's hit it with a torch and see what, if anything, happens, not much. I did hit it with a torch a few times before, during those 10 minutes. All right, let's take a closer look. Be nice if that stayed circular, but I don't know if it will. Okay, well, it's pretty. I'll definitely be experimenting some more with these paints. Maybe next I'll do a Dutch pour with my remainder and see how that works. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.